One of my favorite places to go lately is Oahu, and to a place called Waikīkī. We're going to bring our Kaikamāhine and Keiki Kāne out, and hopefully with this water stage, you guys will envision Waikīkī, everybody looking at the beautiful statues, looking at Hula, or looking at Diamond Head. Huli. Looking at Diamond Head, go ahead and adjust yourself there, Hoku. Now as you can see, they're wearing the plumeria because, hey, what hula dancer doesn't wear plumeria? This wonderful mele talks about the water in the area, the wind that you feel down there in Waikīkī, the smell of the lipoa, or the seaweed. Two of our dancers in the front, Malia and Leila, both had the experience to go down to Waikīkī and go to all these place names in the song. They were able to come back and tell their hula brothers and sisters about their experience as well. The beautiful Kaikamāhine, Diamond Head, and just that feeling of Honolulu, the love that there is there. Even though there's plenty of buildings and stuff, hey, you're always gonna get an aloha when you hit the corner somewhere over there, or get a shaka, yeah. This is Waikīkī.